In this tutorial, I'll cover the sheet metal tool and I'll show you to construct base flange, construct edge flange, construct miter flange, close corner, apply corner treatments, add tab features, add the jogs, unfold and refold the bands, cut across bands, add vents, make fill patterns, and view flat patterns. I'm gonna use the English units. Draw a sketch on the front plane. From the sketch on the front plane, make the lines symmetric. To construct a base flange, click the sheet metal, then the base flange. Turn the use gauge table on, select sample table aluminium. Under the sheet metal parameters, select gauge 14, set the bend radius and thickness. Click OK. To add an edge flange, select the edge on the top plane, set the length, click on the inner virtual sharp. Under the flange position section, click the material outside, click OK. To construct the miter flange, click on the top edge left flange, draw the sketch, click exit, set the start offset distance, click on the vertical edge of the left flange, set the flange position to the material inside. To close the corner, select the corner face of the miter flange, rotate the model and select the other corner faces. Set the corner type to butt. Add corner relief. Click Collect all corners. Set the relief type circular. Add a tab. Click the base flange. Select the line and sketch on the right side of the base flange. Draw two horizontal lines and an arc. Dimension them. Exit the sketch and click OK. To add a jog, click on a jog. Draw a line on the right flange side. Exit the sketch. Set the dimension position to outside offset. Set the jog position to band center line and the jog angle to 75. To unfold a band, go to Unfold. Click on the tab face to define the fixed face. Click on the bands of the jog features. To create cut across bands, click Extrude Cut and draw a 3-arc slot. Exit sketch and click up to next. Fold again the unfolded bands. To add a vent, construct a sketch on the right side face of the base flange. Go to Vent tool, click on the outer circle to define the boundary of the vent. Click in the Rip selection box and select the line segment from the sketch. Click in the Sparse selection box and select the two middle circles. Click in the Fill in boundary selection box and select the inner circle. To make a fill pattern, sketch a rectangle on the top face of the base flange. Exit sketch and go to Fill Pattern. Under the Pattern Layout section, select the Perforation button and set the dimensions. Click OK. Under Features and Faces section, select the Create Seat Cut and select the polygon. Create cuts on the right flange side, assign cut extrude and draw a 3-arc slot. Use the linear pattern to multiply it. This is it. To view the flap pattern, click the Flam button. Again, click the Flam button to switch it back to the model view. I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for tuning in.